OSCR stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is OSCR held stock or buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, I have the proof to back up my claim and all the good jazz. Especially with this, it's just like a bearish market, one heck of a bearish market. And this bearish idea that I got started, like, we opened bearish, and then because we sort of gapped down, it went all over the place, and now it's still inside my supply zone. How all this is going to look like is, I'm only still going to be bullish the moment I start seeing a full candle close above 1463. And since now it's in the supply zone here yet again, you bet do you know how I'm going to move? Well, as before, I'm going to use my edge, follow it, and only if there is a double break, I will look to take things further down. And notice how I'm just never going to assume stuff. I'm just going to react to whatever the price is giving me. So only if there's a double break, I'm looking to take it down. Now, what happens if we start breaking above this? Well, stay tuned. That's why I will keep you updated. And if you want a free stock picks and free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.